ask a quick question because Jim brought up AI, and do you think, both of you guys, do you think that with just more and more AI tools out there, et cetera, and just like so much more for firm owners and advisors to keep up with, do you think
Yeah.
that is affecting more deals happening because the smaller and mid-sized firms are just like, we do not want to play in this. We do not want to hire technology people to figure all of this out. There's so much risk that goes into play if you choose the wrong solution. Are you seeing that yet affect the volume of deals?
We haven't seen it directly related to AI, no. And I would kind of go back to some other data points that we have on this. AI is you could describe it as an evolution. AI in financial services is an evolution of a trend that's been persistent for the last 10 years already, and that's called the robo-advisor. You know, when the robo-advisor came out, everyone thought, oh my God, the RIA is dead. What AI and the robo-advisor have not yet been able to do is replace the human element, the behavioral element of financial planning, which is where most of the value is created. There is not a tremendous amount of value in the creation of a financial plan. The presentation of that plan and the implementation of that plan is where that value is created. So we're not seeing firms exit because of the vast investments that people are making in AI, because AI has not yet been able to disrupt the client advisor relationship to that degree. Where I do think AI will be more disruptive is in things like asset allocation, the creation of that initial financial plan. You know, right now we see on average households per advisor is, you know, somewhere for a well-run firm, somewhere between 75 and 125 households per advisor. AI might allow you to maybe potentially double that, maybe not even double, maybe add 40% to that figure. So we do think that it will increase the back office ability to service a higher degree of clients, but that just means that advisor is going to spend more face time with the client. It's not sophisticated enough yet, and we haven't really seen it make inroads there. I do want to point out, though, that I think the cyber concern is probably the more salient one. And the reality is that it's not just about the investments that advisors are making to protect their data. It's also the education that advisors have to give to their clients as well. You can have the best system. You know, there's a famous Jerry Seinfeld episode where he's got the best door lock, but you know, someone forgot to lock the door, so it was useless, right? So like the investment has to happen over a broad number of actors to be effective, and that's where we see large firms. I think AI will follow that sort of model, where if you implement it well across the organization, you will see the benefits, and if you implement it poorly, it will not do anything. So I think very few firms will implement it correctly in the near term until it becomes a mature technology.